Hey y'all, we ditched our RV and set sail on the brand new Star Princess, and here's what happened. It is cool. Look at that. Guess what we are? The Love Boat. Here we go. Check into 5331.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
I was supposed to be the two beds or one?
I said queen and they gave us the twin. So we'll make it work. Or have them change it up. This was a last minute cruise. So we just booked it and we got the interior stateroom. We generally do balcony rooms, but we didn't care. We just wanted to get on the boat and see what this ship was all about. Refrigerator, dryer. Oh, another drawer here.
Drawer.
Soft clothes.
Some nice chairs here. A nice chair.
Then we have the closet here.
Lots of hangers. And the closet has a light in it. With shelves.
Oh, here's our life vests. Safe, personal safe. A couple more cubbies for storage. Soft close drawers. This is a cozy little room. I mean, you know, inside state cabins, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. Oh, look at the bathroom.
Ottoman. With some pillows.
This is going to be interesting because, you know, we're used to looking out, and now we're closed in. But you know what? It's gonna be so dark in here that I think our sleep is gonna elevate. Nice. Oh, okay. Oh,
Nice reading light.
Okay, you can turn it, angle it the way you want. Some extra plugs. Oh, to turn off the lights.
Oh, okay, I see.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Nice padded headboard so that before the ship sinks, we can knock our heads. I'm just kidding. Get out and go see some more things.
Yeah.
So we went to go check in our muster station, which is something you have to do whenever you board a ship so that you know where to meet in case of an emergency. We did our muster and it's time to go party. 2, 1. it tells you do 5 laps, 1 kilometer, 7 laps, 1 mile. Okay, so all I have to do is walk around 7 times to work off all these meals that we're going to be having. Time to play some games.
Yeah.
We have basketball, and we have pickleball, places to sit, ping pong. So we're gonna go inside the eatery, which is the main buffet here.
Oh, the
Eatery.
Okay.
Nice, nice in here.
Yeah, sandwiches. Oh, look at that sandwich. Is that the same sandwich we ate?
Gluten-free items.
Oh,
Yes, it's gluten-free.
vegetable sandwich. Oh man, this goes all the way around.
Oh, wow. Dessert. So they have a section over here where you can grab and go if you don't want to sit down and eat.
We can grab one of those. It's like a grocery store, huh?
Yeah. So berry and fruit, coconut chia bowl, mango coconut rice pudding. Okay. Oh, this is like grab and go desserts. Oh no, over here.
And sandwiches.
Okay. Oh, and they have salad, Mediterranean, baguette sandwiches. Okay. I like that. Take a picture of both. You gonna take a picture of us washing? Okay.
Hello, how are you?
I'm gonna
washing their hands. They're doing the cruising.
So we have coffee stations in the American diner and oh, what is that?
Ice
Oh, this
dispenser.
is the lemonade. Okay, so you have the lemonade, unsweetened iced tea, and water.
Yeah.
Okay, still water. Ice dispenser,
Here's
and ice cream. So this is another one of their. This is another one of their eateries over here. Oh, look at how cute this is in
Look at
here.
that coffee cup.
Yeah. That's too cute. It looks like it's
What's a
spilling.
chair?
Mm-hmm. Looks like it's spilling. That is too cute. You want to sit in there? Let's see you there. Hey,
It's made
okay.
cocaine. That's what she said.
My
Because
cup
the
runneth
powder they
over.
using to make
Chocolate
it, they
on
get
chocolate.
With chocolate. Yep, chocolate on chocolate. I like
So it's
that.
fine.
Okay, yeah. So we're at the Americana Diner. Very quiet in here. Yeah. Mac and cheese, chicken stew, wine showcase. Nice. Okay, so they even have fruit smoothies and green smoothies. Nice. So this is where they have, they can make you a fresh salad. It's called the Lido Green. They offer salads like Greek, Cobb, chicken, Asian tuna salads, and they have plenty of toppings, so you can customize it and make it to your liking. So this is the Lido Grill, where you can order French fries and hamburgers, hot dogs. It's all cooked to order.
Hot dog.
Yep, bacon on your hot dog if you want. Everything's cooked to order. And from what I heard, they actually make their buns in-house. So you get a fresh hamburger and hot dog bun, and they're so delicious. And it's proud that they give you a number, and it beeps you when you're done. Okay, so this is Lido Tacos, where you can come over here and
That looks good.
Get you, wow. We got trumpo. Nice. Get you some homemade tacos or some fajitas. I think the tortillas are even made fresh here. They taste like it. Oh, here's the pizza. So then we have Lido slice, or you can get fresh made pizza here.
One cheese.
Oh my God.
One cheese.
Princess Arena.
We're going to see our first show.
Yeah. So we're gonna take you in here. Ooh, look at we got dark. Ooh, really nice. We have to get here early because they said if you come late, you may not get a seat. You can
Okay.
probably hardly see us.
You want to go up? Oh, that's right on the thing.
Right here. Look at how pretty. Okay. Okay.
Would it be a sin?
So this is the celestial dining room. Very beautiful. I love that in the middle. Now the one downstairs is Aurora. This one is the flexible walk-in dining. So it's pretty cleared out because
Say the best for
last, yep, save the best for last.
Oh, pretty.
Thank you. What do you have?
There it is. Thank you.
Alrighty. So what is that? Oh, that's beef tenderloin.
Yes.
And then you ordered a chicken breast. See, that's the thing about it.
Says tornado.
See, you can order a couple different things. You can try out everything on the menu. There's pretty much an unlimited amount. Oh, what is this? It's like some sort of butternut squash puree.
You like
That,
it?
That is so moist. No, it really is. It's melting your mouth. Everything I've been eating today has been so good.
It's very good.
Is it?
Yes.
Like
is.
it?
I do like it.
I see you put that piece in your mouth.
Cheesecake. Cheesecake. Thank you.
Pretty.
Yeah.
And lemon pie. Thank you. That looks pretty. You see your cheesecake slice
Cheesecake
and your
slice.
sorbet. My lemon pie. See how it tastes.
Wow.
It's okay. I'm not blown away by it, but it's okay.
I like to order two some things just to try them. Because you may not like the first thing you order, but the second thing you order, you might fall in love with it. Like this cheesecake, it's really good.
It is good.
Yeah. And you don't have to eat it all.
We're tearing it up.
Yeah. Just try everything.
I'm nice and full. You full?
No, I'm doing okay.
Are you? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm good. Stick a fork in me because I am done. So Vince got a group in now and he's going to play pickleball. So I'm going to show you guys. For the champagne toast, the captain's champagne toast. Actually, I have champagne and orange juice, so mimosa. I cheated. They have this cool climate control area called the Dome. It's inside, but it's like you're outside, but you're inside. It's for 16 and up, but during the times we were there, we only noticed adults there. Okay, so we're gonna sit back for a little bit. I'm telling you, if you get a chance, if you can, if you like to cruise, if you haven't tried cruising, I would definitely recommend trying the Star Princess. I mean, well, we like Princess Cruise, period, but the Star it's a star. This ship is so beautiful, from the food to the service. The staff is so friendly. They're very attentive. I mean, everything you can ask for in a cruise, especially if it's your first time cruising. You always want to make a good impression because that's a great way to start to keep cruising. Oh, here comes our towels. Thank you, towel man. Such a cool place to chill and lounge around. All right, so we're back at the room so we can get ready for a formal night. Hey, look at you cleaning up nice. Let me see. That's nice. Uh-oh, posing. All right.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you. All dressed up, somewhere to go.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, let's go have a good time. So later that evening, we decided to check out one of their craft bars called Good Spirits, where they make specialty drinks and offered a little show of their own. Okay, we tired, huh?
Yeah, we made it back to the room.
Yeah, we had such a great night.
Great time.
What did we do? We saw a comedy show. We had some drinks at Good Spirits Bar.
Some free drinks too.
Oh, some free drinks,
Yeah.
yes. And we had a nice dinner. And we saw a game show in the piazza.
Yeah.
And what else?
Fell asleep on the lounge chair outside.
Oh, that was earlier today. Yep,
Yeah.
yep. We had
Played
a nice
some pickleball.
Yeah, I watched it. Yep, watched you play pickleball and have a good time. And now it's time for us to call it a good night.
All the night.
I am tired, and it is very late.
Yes.
So we'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Coming up in part 2, we're visiting the ship's very own private island, Princess Key, and checking out the vibes in the Dominican Republic. And we're going under the sea snorkeling in Turks and Caicos, and touring more of the Star Princess. And if you can, get out and see just how much fun life is tripping. Thanks for watching.